Remarkable na po here in Bicol, like remarkable projects or programs or something na AI dito sa Bicol region?
I am not yet familiar with any remarkable output with the use of artificial intelligence here in our region. But perhaps in medicine, no? In the Philippines, medyo kulang pa din if you're going to ask about remarkable achievements. But in other countries, there are already these remarkable achievements with the use of artificial intelligence. But here in Bicol, I do not know if there is this remarkable achievement.
Follow up po, can you share po an experience, like a fun experience you had with AI po?
Okay, so fun experience about AI. Perhaps with the use of ChatGPT. With the use of ChatGPT. Kasi when I was actually starting to use ChatGPT, so I've asked questions, or normally kapag sa mga problems, okay talaga siya. Okay talaga siya. But when you ask them to generate, for example, a related literature for a particular study, kasi I told you a while ago that we are actually using these AI tools for research. So, meron lang siya na-generate, napakadami na, only to know that these are fictitious. Okay? Only to know that these are fictitious. So, kumbaga, nasa tingin mo na nakatulong na siya to generate this related literature, but at the end of the response, meron siyang disclaimer that these are actually fictitious. Okay, so that's one thing that you have to be careful. Na whether the information that you have generated with this AI is fictitious or not, and you always have to fact check, counter check the authenticity of the information you get from these AI tools. Okay.